this is temporary. Maybe we'll last till January. But lost control when you call me baby. If I go down that road, you know you're coming with me. But I chase rainy days. Oh, I love the way it tastes.
Hello, my children. Let's talk about it, okay? So, wait, let me make this like more, I don't know, aesthetically pleasing. Wow. This is comfy. I like it. I don't know how to start this, actually. I don't know. If you haven't been keeping up with me and my life, about 3 months ago, I moved to LA. Los Angeles, California. And I guess I gotta tell you, the process. I have a lot of videos from when I was moving. This is gonna be kind of like a story time, okay? Back in June, I was here for my mom's birthday and I came to LA for about 4 days. The thought of moving here had already kind of terrorized my brain. But I was like, oh, it's just a thought, it's just a thought, it's just a thought. And then when I got back here, I was like, okay, well, I think I've made my decision and I think I want to move. But I was thinking of moving at the end of the year. I don't know what it was about LA that like made me change my mind. That's still kind of a mystery, but I think I was just ready to move. Baltimore was a great experience for me. I loved living there. I miss it now. Like I start to miss it because that was just, it was one of the best times being by myself for 2 years. And it was great. So anyway, I think my body just knew it was ready to go and to explore other places. And I don't know, it might be that way. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna stay in LA, but for now it's good. It feels really good. I obviously do miss my friends and I miss just my people. I'm in my 20s. I feel like this is the best time to explore and to get out of your comfort zone. Cause me, I'm a tourist. I like to stay where I'm comfortable. So this was a huge step. Okay. Is this a joke? My life update video that I posted, I think in July or June. I think I posted that in June or like early July. And that was kind of like the hint, right? To give you guys that obviously I was moving. I found an apartment that was perfect, which is the apartment that I'm in now. Also, sorry, this is gonna be all over the place. I don't have a storyline, I don't have a script. I'm just going off of my, my noggin, okay? Back in April, around my birthday though, I think my friends pretty much manifested it for me because we were at dinner for my birthday and they're like, oh, Javi, you're gonna move to LA, like you move every 6 months, whatever. And pretty much on the dot, I decided 6 months after I had moved into that old apartment that I was at, I decided I was moving. So, it kind of just happened. But yeah, it took me one last visit here in LA to really settle it for me. And when I was here, Danny and I was only here for 4 days. And we were like, well, let's just look at apartments. Let's see what they got out here. Let's see the price range. Let's see what it looks like. Randomly, I stumbled upon this place. And it almost felt magical because the address itself was really, really, like, it shook me because I love numbers. Obviously, I'm not going to tell you my address. That had already, it has spoken to me. Danny said that it was pretty close by and that we could walk to it. So we walked to this apartment, literally like not even 2 blocks away from Danny, who is pretty much my emergency contact at this point. We're already shook by that. The street that I'm on is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with how it looks. I love everything near it. If we walk into the place, the lobby looks fantastic. We meet with the lady who, the property manager basically. I just walk in and I am shook. Like, I am in awe. I love the way my place looks. All the exposed pipes, the kitchen, everything's very modern, but the actual building itself isn't new, so it has a good mesh of all the things that I wanted. Obviously, you're gonna get a proper apartment tour this time. I'm still kind of fixing it up, so it's not 100% ready yet, but soon come. But I just remember walking in and feeling this like, oh my gosh, this is my place, this is my spot, and this is the exact feeling I had with my studio. The very first studio that I had back in Baltimore. I told the lady, I was like, okay, well, I want it. So how much can you wait for me? And she told me a month. And this is where it all starts, honestly. That was like the preface of the story, but I was like, I have a month to move. That's insane. Then I'm like, I have to break it to my friends. So I tell Hasira. Obviously, everyone eventually finds out. I don't know. It was super fast. Everything happened very fast. I feel like I wasn't able to process a lot of things. There was a lot of crying, a lot of see you laters. Did you bring me a toy? This is not even a toy. This is literally cardboard. Obviously, I'm not gonna get into that, but it was very emotionally charged. And girl, yeah. Then the moving process was hectic as hell. After all the things, after everything was packed up and like thrown into the truck, I kind of said my goodbyes to the apartment, and I filmed that, so I'll put this right here. Oh no, I don't want to cry. Obviously, we know that I'm moving to LA. So today the movers came and got all my stuff. Not all of it. I sold a few things. I gave away a few things. So I just have my 2 suitcases. I still have like 3 more things to put down in the dumpster. This is really emotional because I've never lived anywhere else other than Maryland since I moved here from Chile. So it's definitely not like a tiny move. It's already not a tiny move. Like, it's a cross-country thing. It's a lot. It's a lot emotionally. And I even had to break up with my therapist because she doesn't practice in California. I'm grateful of all my little adventures that I had here in Maryland, and not just in Maryland but here in Baltimore. I lived in Mount Vernon. It's a great little neighborhood. Living alone, literally alone, for like 2 years, I think that's like a great accomplishment. I'm happy to go, but sad to leave. Okay. Obviously, it was super sad. I was saying goodbye to it, and you know, being grateful for all the memories that I made in this building, in this area, in this apartment, all the fun nights, all the laughter, all the cries, everything. Then I went to stay with Hasira, my friend, and obviously we had a little bit more of bonding time and enjoying each other's company for the most part. I'm not gonna shake it.
So flat and strong. Oh, did I do that? So did I do? 'Cause I'm a pothole. If you know, you know.
And if you don't, you broke.
We already had margaritas. No. Yeah, margaritas and the pina colada. She had a pina colada, but I had some of her pina colada.
I just had soup. I didn't even really eat. I bought food to go.
Easy breezy, cheesy breezy, beautiful. Cheese puffs. Cheese curls. Good on day.
Oh, ouch, that hurts. Why did you do it again? I did it with you so we could be there together.
I don't think I did that.
Yeah, you were like,
But it didn't hurt.
no, I just said,
Nah, it was hard.
I don't.
Playback.
Cheese curls. Good on day.
oh, ouch, that hurt.
We also had a lot of fun stuff planned for the weekend before I left. We were going to this like wine festival. That was fun. I'll insert footage of that.
That's me. That's you.
I heard that you were talking shit.
and you didn't think that I would hear it. We didn't hear it.
Bro, I feel like I always miss all the good jokes. So we're going to a wine festival. Is a reggae.
You know what that means.
It means we shaking ass today.
I be on the pussy, I be popping out of here, spinning over, y'all making it clap. That one. I'm all out of
She is ready.
Yeah, I was going by the river, I was shaking that ass, spinning over my pussy, I was making a case. Teach you, I'll teach you how to let it
Why is Waze taking us here? Oh, it wants to kill us. Look, and no, we're gonna turn to Saint Main Street. A lot of things. I took random videos throughout, you know, the span of that week, pretty much, so I could have. The only big move that I've ever done was moving from Chile to here. But I was so young, like I didn't do that by myself. This was done all by myself, and it was so stressful and ridiculous, and honestly, I don't recommend it to a lot of people. It was a lot.
We are in LA. She survived her first airplane. She was fine though. I mean, nothing crazy happened. Tips for anyone flying with animals. Oh, did I speak? For anyone flying with animals, I suggest getting a private screening room so that you can take them out of the carrier without them being around everyone. So that's what I did, and it was perfect. After that, she went into the carrier, and they only took like a minute. They only took about a minute to get the carrier back to me from the x-ray, so it was fine. Now we're in Danny's bathroom, as I usually am. This is where I keep my luggage when I come visit, but it's so weird, like I don't feel like I've moved here yet because I don't have my keys yet. So once that's done, once I sign my lease, I feel like that's when it'll settle.
So, you know, we got a townhouse up the street, and then we got a loft down the street, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, we're back from shopping.
We got a cute little set.
So cute.
All done.
Kitty tank.
Kitty tanks. I got some more shampoo and
Cozy outfit.
all the fun stuff. Loofah. Some shit.
Suburban kit.
Wow. The audacity.
A self-care moment.
You know.
Javi's favorite yogurt.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna take one with me, but I'm gonna do this. Okay, go. Don't break them.
Be first.
Do the honors. Hallelujah. It's my first night at the place. Where's espresso? Hey. I've been like out all day and I feel bad. I feel like she's low-key mad at me because I haven't been playing with her and
Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom.
baby. Little baby. Earlier today, she was up there walking around, which doesn't shock me at all because she is a psychopath. Today, Danny and I ran a lot of errands. We have been doing that the past 2 days, so I haven't like vlogged because I'm honestly exhausted. I'm tired. This move has been crazy. It definitely in a good way. It's just a lot. It's a lot of stress. And also I've been leaving espresso here, so she's like, she low-key hates me, but I know she misses me. It's been a minute. So we're definitely gonna cuddle tonight. Say hello. Oh, she's giving you kisses. You're giving kisses to the people. Le está dando besitos. Oh,
Y el potito.
But now there's gonna be more adventures. Like, I feel like, you know, getting to know a place by yourself is gonna be fun. You'll see a lot of Danny, I'm sure. You'll see, hopefully, new people that I'll meet and that I'll encounter. So yeah, it's just like a new season of my life. We got new characters, a new plot, you know, but the main character stays the same. So I'm happy to bring you guys along. Also, be patient with me. Whoa. I'm not wow, okay. It's the new blanket. Be nice to it. I guess that's it. Welcome to season 2 of my life. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day or a wonderful night or whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.